Everybody, good morning. Today I'll teach you about the tangent and normal properties to a given curve. As you have already learnt in standard 11 that a tangent is the line which meets exactly to a given curve at a single point. Similarly, the normal is that line which is perpendicular to the tangent. You have already learnt in the standard 11. You know a tangent is a straight line. And what is the equation of straight line? The equation of straight line is always y is equal to mx plus c, as we know. And since the tangent is a straight line, the equation of tangent must take this form. And the tangent at the point of contact, if the line, because let us take the point of contact be x1, y1, at the point of x1, y1, the derivative of the given function y is equal to fx at the given point px1, y1 is called as the slope of the tangent. So what is the slope of the tangent? The slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at the point x1, y1, dy by dx at the point x1, y1. Which is also known as you know, which is also known as m. And if this is the slope of the tangent, as we have already discussed, the slope of the tangent, the slope of the line, because tangent is a line, and the slope of a line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it can be also deduced by this result. So dy by dx at x1, y1 is equal to m. Then what will be the equation of the tangent? So equation of the tangent is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to dm into x minus x1, as we know. So what is m? Because m is the derivative of y with respect to x for the given function y is equal to fx. For the given function y is equal to fx. This function is the equation of function of the curve. Equation of the curve y is equal to fx. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Instead of using m, we can also use dy by dx at x1, y1. Therefore, the equation of the tangent will become y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point x1, y1 into x minus x1. Similarly, if we'll go to find the equation of the normal, because equation of normal and normal is the line which is perpendicular to the tangent, so the slope of the tangent into slope of the normal, the slope of the tangent into slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 into slope of the normal. This is the in standard 11 coordinate geometry. We have already learned that in coordinate geometry, two lines are perpendicular to each other if the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. So slope of the tangent into slope of the normal is equal to minus 1. That is because we know the slope of the tangent is dy by dx at the point x1, y1. Therefore, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. Slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1, y1. Understood, all of you? Please take care always that the slope of the, because m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, so the slope of the normal can be deduced by using the concept minus 1 by dy by dx at x1, y1. Any point, the point is playing very important role in the case of finding the equation of the tangent and normal. The point of contact, because you are finding the equation of the tangent at the point of contact x1, y1, so the point of contact is very much essential to find the equation of tangent. Similarly, also the equation of the normal. Whenever two curves are orthogonal given, when two curves are orthogonal, suppose two curves are orthogonal, what do you mean by orthogonal condition? Orthogonal condition is that condition where the tangents to the given curve are perpendicular to each other. the tangents to the curve are perpendicular to each other at the point of intersection. That means you have to solve first curve 1 and curve 2, the equation of curve 1 and curve 2. Find the point px1 y1, which is the point of intersection of the two curves. At that point, again you have to find dy by dx for the first curve. Similarly, the dy by dx of the second curve. Put the value of px1 y1 at the dy by dx of the first curve, that is m1. Similarly, find the value of dy by dx for the second curve. Put the point px1 y1 in the second curve, that is m2, and m1 m2 is equal to -1. If m1 and m2 are -1, then the curves are said to be orthogonal each other. Understood all of you?